Now we're gonna discuss about strings in Python. So strings in Python are surrounded by the either quotation marks or a double quotation marks, which means that you will whenever you will write here print hello hello and print hello run. There is no difference. These are the strings, okay? So uh, uh, what we will do here, we will write down the dummy text here in a equals to, we will put three quotation marks. Okay, so we will put three quotation marks and we'll write down there yeah, hello, i I am Python. I will help you to learn code easily. Do follow my steps and practice daily. Okay, so this is basically a text, and now we will write down print variable a. Okay, so you can see there is a v, which means the variable. So click on this, press enter and run. So look at this. Okay, these are the
Okay.
strings, and if we will do the same thing with single quotation marks and
Is
single
it
quotation mark.
important to put three quotation marks?
Yeah, it's important because it will define your text properly. Okay.
Okay.
uh, yeah, because in strings it is important. So let me show you a good thing. mm, a equals to python programming programming and print. So if I want to print the word python only, so what will I do? Print a. So what will I do? Print a 1 will run this. It's why. Look, why? Why it is only showing me why? Have you ever another idea? Do you have any idea?
Yeah,
Because y is the
because
first letter.
yeah,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why it print only y. Okay.
yeah.
So if you will write down like this, print.
Is it? Do you have to put the square brackets or?
Yeah, it's important. Print 10. Let's see what comes out. G. Okay. So delete this one and moving towards next, which is for X in Apple.
What does for mean and in?
Yeah, I'm telling you. These are the basically loop correct letters, okay? Loop letters,
Yeah,
which comes all around. Do you know the meaning of
yeah,
loop?
uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
So now,
I know about the loops. They keep on doing the
yeah.
apple
Simple.
and
So when you will for X in Apple, so run. Why? Do you have any idea?
Because
Because there is no quotation mark on X.
yeah,
Quotation mark and semicolon. Now,
you have to put the semicolon.
oh, sorry, colon. Now,
Colors, yeah.
it's another error.
Oh,
So,
because of the X, you put it like that.
now, wait. Now, right? No.
Now there is an
So,
option.
tell me what
Still,
is the.
is there an errand for and in or something?
Mhm. Tell
Because
me.
the oh,
Tell me the error. There is error in line number 2, which means the error is in print. Let me
because
write
of you
here
put it
banana.
bracket. It doesn't work.
What were you saying?
I was saying that because you put it brackets of the from the X
No.
like those.
Oh, so let me try this with the colon also. For X in banana, print X.
But
Let me
you
write.
didn't write X.
What?
Oh, you did. You did write
But,
X.
yeah,
Why is it coming like that?
yeah. It's coming like a loop. It's coming B A N
Oh, because of
because we
you.
because we didn't define any variable here. We didn't define what we have to print in banana. So that's why it's printing the whole sentence on and then another line. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. So now we will discuss about the length of the string. Okay.
okay.
Uh, so A equals to hello.
You didn't
Very
put it
famous
marks.
statement. Hello world. Print len, which means length. Okay. And a print
Yeah.
length of a run
Like
12.
what does command mean? Like are you giving a command to the computer?
What?
What does command mean? Like yeah, you're
Command
giving a
order.
oh,
Yeah. Anyways, so
order
len
to the
means length.
computer?
Yeah, len means length. Okay.
Okay.
So moving towards next string, which is check string.
What is a checks?
Yeah, I'm telling you. So this is an experiment that what will happen either is true or false. Let me show you. First of all, you will write txt, which means text. Okay.
Text. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, the best things in life are free. So
That's a
print,
false.
yeah, print free
TXT.
in txt.
Free in.
True, which means
Oh,
we
I
are having
can
the
play true
sentence.
false.
Yeah, we can play true false. Print love. Run this. False. There's no sentence like that. So it will tell you that you're having that sentence it or not. Okay. So this
Okay.
is the check string. Okay.
Yeah, like you can play true
Yeah,
false with it.
yeah. So moving towards next is okay. So check if not means let me tell you again. Control Z. Mm, not. This is also a command. Run this. False.
Oh,
There's
what
false, which means
is?
please tell me that free is in text or not in the text. Okay?
Okay.
Let me tell you again. Ryan is not in text. So it will give me true.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, another true false.
Yeah, and the true false. So now we will learn more about the string. Um, yeah, B equals to hello world. Print B
I
equals
wanted to ask, can I like write a letter in like if I write B and then write a whole letter, will it work?
yeah, yeah, it will work. Look at this. LOL LLO means print from 2 to 5. If I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10, which means 11. Print 0 to 5. So it will print hello. Look at this.
Oh,
And I will write 0 to 11. So it will
it
print
will
out
give
hello world.
not hello world. That's
So now the string has been ended. Okay.
okay.
So
So what is our next